How to repost a story on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram, go to DMs and search for mentioned you in a story option. Click on the chat and then click on add to your story. It will lead you to your story page. Click on your story located at bottom left corner of your screen, and then add to your story. But if you see someone's story and you want to add it in your story, simply take the screenshot and post it how you post as a picture by clicking on your story, selecting the photo from your gallery, and then posting it. But before posting this kind of screenshot, make sure you ask the person for permission. After they agree, you can simply post. And this is how to repost a story on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.